So, the example of locomotor movements. Ay, non-locomotor movements. So, here is the example of non-locomotor movements. First, stretching. Stretching, when we say stretching,
Also mag-stretching.
stretching.
Ano? So, nara siya sa
This is the stretching. So, second, swinging. When we say swinging, what? Swinging. Swimming or swimming? Swimming.
swinging,
Ay,
ano?
Swimming ba?
Swinging.
Swimming.
Oh, swinging. Nara siya sa isa ka place. Wala siya transfer to another direction. Non-locomotor movements.
So, the third is bending. We say bending, mag-bend ka. Then, iana ni mo imuhang kamot. O, sa kaning tuhod ipabend di mo gamay. So, ayaw lang po iana. So, the fourth is pushing. When you say pushing, mag-push up. Yes. And lifting. So the first is bending. Involves arching or moving a part of your body. You can bend forwards, backward, or sideways. You can also bend your head, knees, and arms. So like this. Kasi maka-perform. And sa, ikaw bis dito. Sa bending.
Dati no, sa tubangan. Hindi makita.
Pwede ragyapon din sa front belly. Perform the bending. Okay, that is example of non-locomotor movements. And second, stretching. It involves extending a part of your body. You can stretch your arms upward or sideways. You can also stretch your legs forward or backward. So, like this. Pwede anaon mo siya. Taon. So, kaning stretching is maka-help sa imong body para malayo sa sakit, para mas maayo gani og everyday exercise. Yes, very good. Third is pushing. You can do push-ups. To do push-ups, your hands, gamiton imong hands and toes are the floor. Anaon siya with the body and legs in a straight line. Then lower and raise yourself. So, kisay maka-perform. Sige, go, ali. Perform, sabi. Grabe, boy. That is what? That is pushing. Very good. Swinging is a moving a part of your body back and forth. You can swing your arms and legs. So, like this. Pwede siya anaon. Liuk-liuk ang imuhang air. Yes, that is swinging. Very good. Clap your hands. Lifting. Lifting. Everyone, please read.
Involves moving a part of your body upward to higher level. You can raise your arms and you can lift your legs.
Okay? Ang imuhang tiil, i-down nimo siya kaning isa, then iana nimo imuhang
Tambol.
good. Yes, very good. Kinsay maka perform. Ikaw, Be.
Ikaw na daw. Kaya mo. Pagkuhan kahoy.
Ka na i-stretch mo hang
Pagkuhan kahoy.
Okay ra. Isa to, Be? Sige daw, try. Anaon, then imuhang kamot alsa. Yes. Good. That is lifting. So,
Activity
let's proceed our
activity.
So, before we proceed to our activity, recap lang natin, no? Sige, para mapanato. Okay. So, again, when we say locomotor, sakit to, locomotor movements, from one place to place or change direction. Ano locomotor movements? Are movements that do not move from one place to place or change direction.
So, locomotor, again ha, ang locomotor, pwede ka maglakaw-lakaw or backward. Pero, ang non-locomotor, stay lang ka, pero makalihok-lihok ka. Like, sige, ito example sa non-locomotor. Hands up. Yes, B. Stand up. Isa to? Stretching. Very good. Isa pa.
Running.
Isa to? Stand up.
Running.
Running, okay.
How mag-try ko na yan? Lifting. Knife.
Eh, isa to? Pushing and
Oh, di naman ang
jumping. Dili. Ang jumping is
locomotor.
example na siya sa locomotor movement. So, let's have an
So now, since kabalo naman mo no, sa locomotor movements and non-locomotor movements, so now let's proceed to our activity. So, I have here, na ako ikon rin no, nadari mga example of locomotor movements and non-locomotor movements. I-identify ninyo ha, kung saan ang nasa image. Ngayon, pilit na.
Saan natin din Motor.
okay, natay activity.
Non-locomotor movement.
Ako yung pagdating ng pagdana.
Pero isa-isa gato sa tubangan ha. Identify niyo kung saan siya na movements.
Ako. Non-locomotor ako. Non-locomotor po na. Ala, breath. Breath sa non-locomotor.
Sige, maura na.
Go! Teacher, balik-balik daw ni sila.
Isa na sila
Kung nga sila nag-change direction, kung sila nag-
Isa may first dire, sa AJ ang first. AJ. Isa mo na siya nga movement.
Like!
Kung asa siya.
siya kung asa nga movements ang
Locomotor movements o non-locomotor movements. Okay, very good. Next.
Ay, sunod-sunod na rin yung locomotor. Ay, saba, G.
Good. Sige, next. Rian.
Ay, saba, G. Tawlo man na siya.
What movement? Sama siya nga movement. So, basta siya. Basta man siya ang slot picture. Na? Jumping rope. Asa man siya sa locomotor movements, non-locomotor movements. Dili sa motor.
Ah, di man na. Ako bang ko ang motor school. Gamot-gamot. Jumping man. Jumping naman.
Next.
Ay,
Kati. Kuya Isra. Next. Wow, very good.
isa pa.
Bailo mo. Waterlihan.
Ginadali.
Tay, pagdalang tubig!
Balay, bukas bulan.
Tay! Dalang. Tay!
Biking na na.
Dalang tubig!
Very good. Dana? Ay na.
Ako napa sa lalim.
Okay. Next. Next.
Kuha yun yung tanong ko. Mabaw.
Good.
Diyan harag. Baka na. Balik.
Okay. So, locomotor movements. Ano siya? Nasa locomotor movements. Involve?
Running, jumping, biking, rolling,
Rolling.
jumping.
Okay, very good. So, non-locomotor movements.
Exercise,
stretching.
lifting,
Lifting.
sitting, stretching, bending.
Bending. Okay, very good. Let's clap our hands. So, kapag kami naman sa non-locomotor movement. So, that's all for our topic in this afternoon. For your assignments, you're going to list at least 5 example of non-locomotor movements and locomotor movements nga ang atong ginabuhat tagadlaw. That's all for your assignment. Pasan nyo tomorrow. Okay. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, teachers.
Goodbye.